Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Wing Assistant is hiring for virtual assistant role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. Apply only if you are comfortable with the remuneration and shift timings. So required experience is minimum 1 year. Monthly remuneration is 20,000 to 25,000 INR. Shift timings either from 8:30 p.m. to 5:30 am or 9:30 p.m. to 6:30 am with a 1 hour break. Preference: recent graduates, people with good communication skills. Here is the job summary. You would be working as a client service representative, general virtual assistant. We are looking for someone who can communicate with US clients, have good English written and verbal communication skills, must know how to manage email inboxes, can schedule meetings through a calendar, and is ready to work in the US shift timings. You would be elevating our clients' day-to-day responsibilities by responding to emails and phone calls, scheduling meetings, booking travel and accommodations, managing a contact list, preparing customer spreadsheet and keeping online records, organizing managers' calendars, performing market research, creating presentations as assigned, addressing employees' administrative queries, providing customer service as the first point of contact. Now what we expect? This is a 100% remote opportunity that requires working in the US time zone. The virtual assistant role is one that doesn't neatly fit within the confines of the 9 to 6 days. So we are looking for a go-getter who is eager to be flexible and available, even outside traditional working hours. Our virtual assistant will serve as an essential partner to the client. This highly organized, endlessly resourceful person will ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Now, benefits of working with Wing. 100% remote opportunity which gives freedom to work at your desired location. Benefits of both the worlds. Enthusiasm and learning curve of a startup. Deliveries and performance of an enterprise service provider. The sky is the limit regarding learning, growth and ideas. We do not follow the typical corporate hierarchy ladder. As part of our dedication to an inclusive and diverse workforce, Wing is committed to equal employment opportunity without regard for race, color, national origin, ethnicity, gender, protected veteran status, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, or religion. Now let us get to know about the company. We are the world's best assistants. Wing provides executives with a dedicated assistant to help them focus on their core activities by taking over busy work such as social media management, basic research, data entry, lead generation, etc. Wing is your super affordable team member on whom you can rely to take care of all the menial work while you do the important things to grow your business. This is Wing Assistant's website. Wing is the world's best virtual assistant service. Then here they are rated by Google as 5 star, Capterra as 4.5 and A+ accredited business certificate they are having. If you are eligible for this job role, then you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button. After that, you have to fill the application and submit it. And also you have to apply with one more link. Here is the link. Apply through this link to speed up the selection process. You have to copy this link and paste on the Google. After that, this page will open. Here is an application form where you have to fill your first name, last name, email address, phone. Then you have to attach your resume and there are some questions you have to answer, and after that click on this submit application button and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. Make sure you are applying with both the links, with LinkedIn Easy Apply also and with another link also. Also modify your resume according to this job description. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.